So ayun, mayroon nga pala tayong panunuorin na nakakatakot na video. Ayun, re-reactionan nga natin to. Subukan natin mag-reaksyon ng mga nakakatakot na video. At bago ang lahat ay subscribe niyo muna ang aking channel. Ako nga pala si Boss Tonyo. Ayan. Ayan ang ating pangalan sa ating video ay channel, YouTube channel. Aray ko, may kumagat sa balikat ko. So yan, subscribe nyo ako para tuloy-tuloy tayong makapag-upload ng mga nakakatakot na video at re-reaction na natin to. So yun, bago tayo magsimula at tirahin na natin to, baka tirahin pa ni Boss Rino. Ayun. Simulan na natin to.
She was alone at work when something terrifying suddenly happened to her. The following video was recently posted by a man on TikTok, and it went insanely viral, reaching more than 7 million views in a short time.
Ano to? Oh, 7.9 million views sa TikTok.
Late one night, his girlfriend went to the cafe to prepare some paperwork. She was completely alone with only her cat.
May pusa. Ano ito? Ano?
His girlfriend went to the cafe
Tingnan muna
to prepare
natin.
some paperwork. She was completely alone with only her cat.
Computer shop.
After that, something extremely terrifying
Computer shop
happened.
to.
Let's watch the footage.
Ayan. May pumasok si ate. Ano to? Pilipina? Pilipina to. Ayan o. Sa Pilipinas pala to. Pinoy. Ito, totoo talaga to. Oh! Gumalaw yung mouse. Oh! Tumilapon yung mouse. Okay, parang wala lang kay ate. Parang wala lang sa kanya. May tinuturo. Oh! Gumalaw yung upuan, pati yung ano yung nalaglag? Ano yun? Keyboard? Ayan, may tinuturo ulit. So legit sa Pilipinas to. Dito lang mismo. Legit. Oh, kita mo na, kitams. Lumabas si ate. May mga gumagalaw daw dun sa shop. Tumawag si ate dun sa kanyang asawa. Kasi may mga gumagalaw daw, sabi niya. So natatakot na si ate kaya lumabas siya sa computer shop. Ang akala niya daw pinagtitripan siya ni yung si Bulag. Ewan ko sino si Bulag yun. Yan, tuloy natin. May sinisirox siya. Alis din agad. Ayan, bumalik si ate sa shop, sa loob. Oh! 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 Kagulat yun na. Nakakagulat yun. May narinig akong nag-growl. Sa likod ni ate may nag-growl. Yay, ito nakakatakot to guys. Ano to, demons na nagpaparamdam sa kanya. Yay, nakakatakot to. Play natin. Oh. Oh.
Objects suddenly began moving on their own in a strange and frightening way. The
Wait.
woman became scared, went outside,
Play natin.
and called the owner to tell him what had happened. He told her not to worry, saying it might be nothing more than a rat or a mouse. She went back inside and gathered her belongings to leave. But when she turned off the light, the chair suddenly rushed toward her from behind.
Yun, no? Tingnan natin, ulitin natin.
But when she turned off the light, the chair suddenly rushed to.
Ayun. Kung mapapansin natin, may binato ni ate yung papilis niya. Yung sinirox niya na papel. Pagtapon niya, parang may tinamaan. Parang may tinamaan siya. May tinamaan na hindi nakikita. Kasi hindi dapat, diba, pag tinapon mo yung bagay, wait, may motor na maingay. Yun, tuloy natin. Dapat pagtapon niya dun sa papel, titilapon agad yung papunta dun pagtapon niya. So dun sa pagtapon niya, parang dun sa bandang likuran niya umistak dun, may bagay siyang tinamaan. So play natin ulit.
Toward her from behind. At that moment, she screamed, jumped in
Ayan,
terror, and threw the papers
boom.
at the chair.
May tinamaan nga siya.
This internet cafe has become haunted. What do you think?
Sila yung owner, yan babae, tsaka yung lalaking nasa yung may-ari ng computer shop.
Terrifying video on Reddit that quickly went viral. It was recorded by a security
Viral na viral to eh.
at her home. She says
Tagal
that
na to.
she and her husband woke up late at night to the sound of the motion detector alarm. Shortly afterward, the car alarm also went off and the car's headlights began flashing. Looking at the security camera monitor, they
Ano
saw
yun?
two people standing at the entrance
May-
to the yard. The
may
husband
may tao
immediately
sa
went outside to
labas.
investigate, but what happened next was
Sa labas ng
terrifying and
ng
hard
gate
to believe.
ng bakod.
Let's watch the footage.
Ayun. Inilawan siya ng sasakyan. So na sila. Ayun, kitang-kita sa may dalawang tao. Pinapalis sila. Nakatayo lang. Ano nangyari dun? Nawala. Ayun, di ba, pinilawan niya, may taong nakatayo. Maya ayun, inilawan ng malakas.
The security camera
Biglang
captured two
nawala.
people standing in front of the gate to the yard. The man walked toward them,
Oh.
began shouting at them, waving his hand and telling them to go away.
Aka,
After that, he turned on the
to,
car's headlights
multo
so he
pala
could see
to.
them clearly, but they suddenly disappeared in the blink of an
Ayun.
eye in a strange
Nawala.
and terrifying way.
Nawala oh.
To this day, the couple has no idea who those two people were or how they disappeared in such a strange way. However, many people in the comments said that what appeared was a real ghost.
Diba kung tao yun, di yun mawawala. Oh, yun oh. Kung tao yun, kung real tao, ano yun, kung real ano yun, human. Kung real naububulol ako. Kung totoong tao yun, hindi yun mawawala dyan. Bakit papa-English pa tuloy ako? Nabubulol ako. Kung totoong tao yun, hindi yun mawawala dyan. Diba, oh, inilawan niya ng ng sasakyan ng malakas. Nung pagkatutok ng ilaw, biglang nawala. Nung una, hindi pa sila nawawala. Kasi pinapatay hindi pa eh. Pero nung tinutukan na yun, nawala. Ayun. Totoong nawala.
Mysterious video was recorded by a security camera at the entrance of a church in 2021. That night, the church staff heard
2021?
the alarm system, which is triggered if a thief
Wait
or
lang.
intruder approaches or enters.
Titingnan ko lang yung anak ko. Titingnan ko lang yung anak ko, tulog na tulog. Wala kasi dito yung kasama ko sa lamay, nakilamay. So yun, play na natin. Para tuloy-tuloy na tayo. Kasi baka dumating na yun, matutulog na sila, hindi na tayo makapagsalita ng malakas.
The church. They immediately went to investigate and found that the door had been opened, but there was no one inside the church. After that, they reviewed the security camera footage. As
Ano
they
yan?
waited to see the person who had opened the door, something
Simbahan.
terrifying suddenly appeared
Kapilya.
that was difficult to explain. Let's watch the footage.
Anong tinuturo nila? Ano yun? Kasi may tinuturo sila eh. Ayun, may pumasok. Wait, balik natin. Oh, bumukas ang pinto. Walang tao. Oh, may pumasok. May pumasok. Oh, yun no. May pumasok. Ayun no. May parang kulay puting pumasok. Yun. Nakakatakot. Pag tao yan, makikita yan eh. Ito eh, glass to oh. Parang glass tong pinto. Ayan no. Bumukas yan ng may pumasok na figure. Ayan o, makikita nyo. Sige, tuloy na natin. Oh. Replay natin. Replay. Bukas na walang may tao. Walang tao. Ayun. Oh. White silhouette. Ayun. Oh. Dumaan. Lumabas ulit siya.
Suddenly, the door opened by itself, and as it
Kung
slowly
tunay na tayo, makikita yun eh.
figure appeared
Transparent
in the
to.
church. A short time later, the same figure appeared again as it exited the church, and then the door.
Anong ginawa nyo dun sa church?
The church staff were shocked and frightened when they saw that
Nanalangin ng mabilisan?
They have no idea what that thing could have been. So, what is your
Nanalangin ng mabilisan. Pagpasok. Ay, ito yung number 4. Ano kaya meron
The
dito?
security camera in El Salvador captured something extremely mysterious
Ito,
and
ano to?
terrifying. This video recently went viral and several television channels
Bridge.
in El Salvador talked about it. At the beginning of the recording,
Ah,
a person
tulay.
was seen filming a large crowd of people looking down from the
May mga
bridge.
tao agad.
Cameraman's voice, what
Ba't
he
may mga
says,
tao?
and the reactions of the people. It is clear
Daming
that the
tao.
scenes
May na-aksidente siguro.
then ends. After that, another video appears, recorded by a
Wait, tingnan
security
natin.
camera at the same location, revealing the reason why so many people had gathered on top of the bridge.
Uy, pumangga siya sa may poste. Yun pala yun, na-aksidente. Hinarangan eh.
It turned out that
Di
a
masyado
driver who was
nakita.
speeding
Naka-blurred
lost
pa.
control of his car and it fell.
Yung sasakyan kasi
Sadly, he lost his life, but that is not what made the video go insanely viral.
Paano nangyari yun?
After the car crashed, the security camera captured this.
Wala naman siyang wala naman siyang kagit-gitan. Bigla na lang siya nawala ng control. Ano yun? Ayun may block. May ano yun? Pagdaan nun,
Right after the car fell, a truck appeared, and standing on top of it was a completely black figure. Human-like shape. It looked as though it was still.
nauna yung aksidente bago dumaan to. Yung may nakatayo na na itim na figura. Ano ba yan?
Staring down at the car that had fallen beneath the bridge. Many people said that the
Ano
figure
yun?
closely resembled the
Sinundo siya ni Kamatay.
which is
Oo.
also referred to in El Salvador as the
Sinundo
angel of
ni
death.
Kamatayan.
Even stranger and more frightening is that this bridge
Nauna na
has
yung
long been silent
nauna na yung
from mysterious
aksidente.
accidents. It
Nauna na yung aksidente bago ang pagdaan nung truck na may nakatayo dun sa likuran. Nauna yung aksidente. So yun,
has
hinahabol.
been claimed that this mysterious figure has appeared several
Hinahabol
times
siya
in
ni
many of those
Kamatayan.
incidents, and some believe that it is the
Ayan na,
reason
ayan na.
why all of those incidents keep happening in the same
Hindi
place.
man lang
What do you think?
hindi nalalaglag, di siya man lang Number 5 tayo.
He was reviewing the security camera.
Wait, natin? Yung pangyayaring aksidente na yun, ibig sabihin, hinahabol talaga siya ni Kamatayan. Hinahabol talaga siya. Angel's Death nga eh. Angel's Death. Yun na yung tawag. Kaya, naman to, number 5.
Footage, but what he saw was terrifying.
Number
He was
5.
reviewing the security camera footage, but what he saw was
Mga
terrifying.
kabayo.
This creepy and mysterious video was recorded by a security camera in a village in Brazil. The owner
Sa
of the
Brazil
video
to.
says that when he woke up early in the morning, he found the fence surrounding his horses completely destroyed, and a large number of the horses had disappeared.
Mga
At first,
kabayo.
the man believed that he had been the
Horse.
victim of a theft, so he reviewed the security camera footage to find out who was responsible. However, what he saw was extremely terrifying and strange.
Ano nangyari dun sa isang kabayo? Bakit tumagos dun sa may dito? Ano ba to? Nakalimutan ko. Poste. Poste. May tumakbo. Ayun. Ano nangyari sa mga kabayo? Oh, ayun. Ayun pala, ayun. Kita nyo yun guys, nakita nyo yun? Oh, oh. Ayun, ayun, ayun. Yung tinuturo ng araw. May shadow na
Suddenly, a
tumatakbo.
small, black, semi-transparent
Black.
figure appeared out of nowhere and began moving inside the stable, causing the horses to panic. But
Black
what was even
figure,
stranger and more
tumatakbo.
frightening was that the figure vanished in the blink of an eye, as if it had never been there.
Kaya pala nataranta yung mga kabayo. Oo, nakalabas yung isa. Oo, ayun.
The man was
Tuluyan na
left shocked
nasira
and
ang
terrified after
ano,
watching the footage, and he has no idea what that thing could
kudal.
be. It is believed that what appeared was a real ghost. What do you think?
What do you think? Real ghost nga ba yun?
A man recently posted a mysterious and frightening video on Reddit, and it is difficult to explain. Late
Oops.
at night, he woke up.
Ako, naniniwala ako, ano yun? Masamang espiritu yun. Demons. Naniniwala ako. Nasa ano rin yan sa Bible. Mababasa. Ang masasamang espiritu na basta yun na yun. Tuloy
The
natin.
sound of someone ringing his doorbell. However, when he went to see who was at the door, no one was there. He immediately checked the footage recorded by his door security camera to find out who had rung the bell, but he was shocked and terrified when he saw this thing. Let's watch the footage.
Ito naman. Number 6. Ano kaya meron dito? Ano yan? Maliit na bagay na lumilipad-lipad. Oh! Chink! Ano, espada? Ano yung peri? Yung ano, alam mo yung ano?
At around 4 a.m., a small, glowing object
4 a.m. Di madaling araw.
door. It then began
Chung,
ringing the
chung.
doorbell several times before moving away from the house. The man says he was completely shocked and has
Ayun.
no idea.
Ano yung bagay na yun?
To this day,
Ayan oh.
no
Ano ang bagay na yan? Hindi ba, baka ano yan? Baka alien? Hindi kaya? Or ano yan? Alam mo yung ano, sa mga fantasy, yung mga lumilipad na fairy? Yung may mga pakpak na maliliit lang sila. Kumbaga doon sa mga ano ba yan? Encantadia. Yan yung mga ganon. Ang liit lang oh. Sobrang liit. Play natin.
no logical explanation has been found for what happened, and the type of this creature remains unknown.
Tumutunog siya eh.
Some people may say
Chung.
that it was nothing more than a spider web, but a spider web cannot ring a doorbell. So, if you have a
hindi
logical
rin-
explanation for what appeared, share it with us in the comments.
Ano yun? Doorbell? Nakakapag-doorbell? Maliit na bagay na yun.
Alone at work, but what happened to him was terrifying. The following video was recorded by a security camera inside a restaurant.
Number 7. Ano naman to?
A man is seen cleaning the restaurant's kitchen when all of a sudden something terrifying happens. Let's watch the footage.
Boom! Oh! Ano yun? Biglang tumalsik si Kuya. Bakit biglang tumalsik? Ano yun, may sumipa? Oh my God. Oh no. Ano yun? Ano yun?
Closely, you can notice that the man did not fall on his own.
Oh, ayun oh, ang lakas, no? Para sa sinipa, oo.
That he was thrown several feet away.
Mahirap.
Shocked and terrified.
Mahirap umakting ng ganun. Yung bandang ano mo dito, oh, gagalaw ng ganun na parang may sumipa. Mahirap yun. Hindi mo basta-basta ano yun, mai-script yun. Hirap yun. Biglang tumba. May sumipa sa kanya nun. Sinipa siya ng ewan ko kung ano, espiritu ba o ano. Basta kayo nang bahala, guys. Kayo nang bahala ano kung ano yung sumipa sa kanya. Grabe, sinipa. Talasik talaga siya eh.
The man immediately ran out of the place.
Oh? Oh, talasik. No. No, 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 no.
Fortunately, the security camera was there to capture what happened to
Creepy.
the man. Otherwise,
Creepy.
no one would have believed him. He
Oh,
said that he
takbo.
was attacked by an invisible entity.
Takbo nga
What
siya
do
oh.
you think?
Sa takot. Yung reaction niya nga eh. Ay,
He entered an
yun,
abandoned house, but what happened to him was terrifying. A Russian
yung reaction niya nga eh. Kahit sino hindi ano dun sa reaction ni kuya, biglang may sumipa, may tumulak ba sa kanya. Katakot yun eh.
explorer named
Ta.
Alex has a YouTube channel where he
Number
uploads
8.
videos of himself exploring abandoned and creepy
Sino to,
places.
sino to, sino
His
to?
adventures are known for being some videos of himself terrifying. A Russian explorer named Alex has a YouTube
Russian,
channel, but what
oh wait,
happened
wait.
to him was terrifying. A Russian explorer
Russian
named Alex has a
Explorer. Dark Ghost Paranormal. Ay, maganda to. Ito, maganda din to. Isa rin to sa mga napapanood na ni Idol. Maganda rin to. Bali, ito. Napapasyalan din natin tong channel niya. Siyempre, dito lang muna tayo kay Mr. Horror. Yan, panoorin muna natin to. Kay Russian.
channel where he uploads videos of himself exploring abandoned and creepy places. His
Mahilig to
adventures
sa mga
are
abandon
some of
eh.
the most terrifying and realistic. This time, he
Realistic,
decided to go
totoo
alone to
talaga.
explore an old
Yung mga
abandoned house deep in the
ano yun sa
forest
kanya,
that is said to be
totoo.
haunted. Late at night, while exploring the abandoned house, he came across several strange and frightening things.
Ewan ko lang sa inyo ha, sa inyo. Sa akin ya, totoo talaga to. Na nakakatakot.
Despite everything that
Ito
happened,
totoo talaga
Alex
to.
continued exploring the house, and what happened
Sige na,
next
panoorin
was
na natin.
terrifying.
Mabuisit na kayo sa akin. Totoo. Kung totoo. Oh, may sounds of running. Sounds of running. Saan yun? Sa taas? Oh, may tumatakbo.
Дай мне знак, если ты меня слышишь.
Bigyan mo daw siya ng sign. Oh! Sa may salamin. Oh, ikis. Sa may salamin. Inikisan niyo yung salamin. Ano yan? Iyay. Oh, may tumakbo na naman. May tumatakbo. May tumatakbo. Nakakatakot to. Ito talaga nakakatakot.
It seems that the entity living inside the house was trying to scare Alex into leaving, but Alex was determined to stay and continue exploring the place. However, it seems that this was not a good idea because what happened to him afterward was extremely terrifying.
So, andyan na sila. Umangat siya, umangat. Ay, sinakal siya, oh. Patay ka dyan. Ay, nako. Patay ka, sinakal ka. Right po. Kayo guys, naniniwala ba kayo dyan? So, andyan na sila yung asawa ko. Oh! Wala siya makita. Kusan nagsara yung pinto. Putik, sinakal siya.
Suddenly, in a horrifying moment, an unseen force grabbed Alex
Ayun,
by the
no?
neck and lifted him into the air. After a long struggle, he was fortunately able to free himself.
laglag.
This time, Alex truly felt intense fear and began to feel unsafe. He decided to leave the terrifying house immediately, saying that it was the most terrifying experience he had ever
Putik,
had
kung
in his
sa akin
life.
nakakatakot yan. Alis na ako dyan. Tatakbo na ako. Number 9.
The following video was recorded by a security camera inside a shopping mall. Late at night, at around 3 a.m., something strange and unbelievable happened. Let's watch the footage. A shopping cart appeared moving on its own. When it reached this spot, it slowed down, and then bottles began falling into the cart by
Poink.
themselves. After that,
Oh.
the cart moved away. So, what do you think?
Yung
is the
multo
explanation?
nag-grocery na. Tende. Yan, tapos na. Tapos na. Pero nakakatakot talaga. Ayan, subscribe nyo guys
Monday has helped us be much more effective and efficient. Max is
subscribe nyo guys Mr. Horror. Hindi nakakatakot. Ang mga videos niya. Top 10 ay top 4, top 9. Top 9 videos, nakakatakot talaga. So yun, hanggang dito na lang tayo at gabing-gabi na, tulog na mga tao, 11:01 na ng gabi. So yun, subscribe nyo rin ang channel ko, si Boss Tonyo. Maraming salamat.